Hello, teacher.
Hello. Good morning. I am playing motorcyclist version. My name is Dania Arellano.
My name is Fernando.
My name is Omar Fuentes Gonzalez.
Virtual boy, teacher.
We are exposicion motor fashion.
History. The history. The motors. Where is the 1800 and relationships with bicycles, with motors, and answers. Where is a motorcycle? For invented American James and the Germany's for Frederick George Schorsinger. First in Germany is Javi. Javi. Complicado.
Harley Davidson was about in a the first Harley Davidson was bought in 1903 by William Harley and David and after Davidson. These motorcycles have a motor and pedals, for example, on a bicycle, and many of the motorcycles in 1909 have different models and more powerful.
Where make the wood?
During the World War I, 20,000 Harley Davidson were sold for USA because of the war and for militaries. During World War II, 20,000 sold because we are the armed forces. In 1903, in 1960 at 1950 to 60, Harley Davidson superbikes were introductions and because are very popular young people because I are symbolate freedom and rebellion. Here and rebellion model fashion que sería jacket, leather and casque and boots and biker clubs and jeans. Study Harley Davidson is not the bigger and or more powerful, but is the Stalin considered and symbolized freedom and rebellion by young people. Your model is like to ride, ready to live.
In 1877, the American Silver Howard invented a steam engine cylinders powered by because in 1885, William Maybach and Gottlieb Daimler invented a bike with table and four wooden wheels and the internal combustion engine. His speed was 18 km/h. The engine, the speed .5 horsepower. In
Yes,
1876, Otto first invented internal combustion engine, motorcycle engine, y the four times. In 1810,
2010.
invented sidecar, a car with a side wheel that is attached aside of the motorcycle. In 1845, the American return from World War II. American soldiers seemed this different with the motorcycles that we built by Holly and Indian. The bikes were hasn't bike in Europe were light and more fun to drive. They started to have out with other ex-soldiers to relate some the camera the hand fit in the service. He was from motorcycle custom.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you, Miss.
Miss, everything's positions. The next in the class.
Motorcycles.
Motorcycles.
Fashion.
The teams of three. See you tomorrow.
Good
See
morning.
See you next class, teacher.
Thank you.